Gulf Stream, I hear the south wind moan. Bridges are getting lower, shrimp boats coming home. The old man down in the corner slowly turns his head, takes a sip from his whiskey bottle, and this is what he said. I was born in the rain on the Poncha train underneath the Louisiana flow. I don't mind the strain of a hurricane, you come around every Joe. A high black water, a devil's daughter, she's hard, she's cold, and she's mean. And nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. From Chicago, he gonna set that levee right. He said it needs to be at least 3 feet higher, it won't make it through at night. But the old man down in the corner, he said, don't you listen to that boy. The water be down by the morning, he'll be back in Illinois.